Well, I mean, I did, work, landscaping and stuff my whole life, but it was a lot more labor intensive than that. It was tough. Definitely some hard day. I had some tough jobs through my teens and early 20s, but this was up there, especially the first summer, 100-degree days. But yeah, first few days, calloused hands, tired, very difficult. I remember you had hired one other guy at the same day as me, and him and I were sharing a truck together. And I think by night 3, I was dropping him off, and he was like, "Man, I'm never coming back here. This is the hardest work I've ever had." And he was, I think, probably almost my age now. He was probably 40 at the time. And he was like, "This is the hardest work I've ever done." And we never saw him again. So yeah, but I didn't mind it. And really what it came down to was I saw, I saw the growth potential. I liked the work. I liked you. I felt like you were an honest person. You had a good vision for a good business, and those were all things I was looking for.